If you want to delete your Reels history on Facebook, here's how you can do it. First, open Facebook and tap on the profile icon. Then, tap on the three lines, go to Settings and Privacy, and select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Activity Log. Then tap on Your Facebook Activity. Next, tap on Manage Posts, where you'll see the watched Reels. Tap on the Filters option, select Categories, and then choose Videos you've watched. Simply clear your watch history, refresh the page, and you'll see that the watched videos have been successfully cleared. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.